Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to turn on Always On Display on Samsung S25. Let's begin. First, you want to go into your settings, scroll down a little, and head into Lock Screen and AOD. And here, like right here, you have Always On Display. As you can see, it's currently turned on, and we can disable it by simply hitting the little check mark. And now Always On Display is dead and won't be able to show up on your lock screen or anytime soon. And if you want to enable it back, of course you can just do it like that. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.